what does insane progression look like?
The vibe here is unlike anything I've ever seen.
The real only time to push hard is when other people are also going big and you have other people to learn from.
When you watch others and their successes, it inspires you.
How come I keep going? How come I want to progress? I think it's because of the thrill.
The guy with a crazy haircut, he's alright, he's great, he's great.
An absolute amazing coach.
He's really good at pinpointing, like the most important one or two things that need to improve to progress to the next step.
Mike has really helped me with just the subtle tweaking things.
Always with a smile. He doesn't set himself on a podium and expect people to listen to a lecture. He discovers through you.
So to the guys who joined, thank you so much for sharing your most valuable assets with me, your time and your attention. And to anybody else who wants to get that insane progression, just head over to gethighwithmike.com and you can book my clinics right away. Ow!